Big news for OnePlus fans, the OnePlus 13 has finally broken free from OxygenOS. That's right, LineageOS has officially landed for the OnePlus 13, bringing a clean, pixel-like experience to one of 2025's best Android flagships. If you've ever wished your OnePlus felt lighter, faster, and more customizable, this might be the update you've been waiting for. Alright, let's dive straight in. The OnePlus 13 has officially joined the LineageOS family, just a month after the OnePlus 12 got the same treatment. Now, for those who don't know, LineageOS is one of the most popular third-party Android ROMs, known for giving users that clean, stock Android feel, better control, and often a longer lifespan for their devices. This update is a big deal because the OnePlus 13, though an amazing phone, is already technically outdated, since it's been superseded within the same year by the upcoming OnePlus 15. But now, thanks to LineageOS, it's getting a new lease on life. Currently, the OnePlus 13 still runs Android 15 with OxygenOS 16 in beta across select regions, but LineageOS 23, which just launched in early October, is now officially available for the device. That means if you install LineageOS, you'll be running a newer, smoother, and lighter build than what OnePlus officially offers right now. So if you prefer that pixel-style experience and want to unleash the full power of your phone's hardware, LineageOS is definitely worth checking out. LineageOS 23 brings a bunch of cool improvements, from enhanced apps like the 12 music player to multiple performance optimizations under the hood. However, it's worth noting that it doesn't yet include the major Material 3 expressive design changes from Android 16 QP R1. Why? Because Google hasn't released the Pixel kernel source code yet, and that slowed things down a bit for the devs. So updates might arrive slightly slower than before. But still, it's great to see official LineageOS support for a flagship this new, if you're ready to try it out. Remember, you'll need to unlock your bootloader first before flashing LineageOS. Once that's done, the builds are already live and ready for installation. Just make sure to follow the proper steps carefully to avoid any hiccups. So, what do you think? Will you ditch OxygenOS for LineageOS on your OnePlus 13? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let me know which ROM you prefer, OxygenOS, LineageOS, or something else entirely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to stay updated with everything about Android, custom ROMs, and new OS updates. Thanks for watching.